Hey, welcome to the show. Today we have some math story problems relating to an animal birthday party. All right, let's go ahead and begin here. Planning the party. Bear is planning a birthday party for Rabbit. He picks 23 balloons and then grabs 14 more. How many balloons does Bear have? Now, when I'm doing story problems, what I like to do is I like to mark up the page. I might underline things, I might circle things, just get it all ready to be able to figure it out. So I'm going to go ahead and underline some important things here. Bear is planning a birthday party for Rabbit. He picks 23 balloons. That's pretty important. So let's go ahead and underline 23 balloons and then grabs 14 more. So I'm going to go ahead and underline 14 right here. Whenever we see the word more, usually that is going to mean that we're going to be adding. All right. So if you want to, you can always put the addition symbol there. For the question, I always like to kind of like make a little squiggly line to underline, to highlight the question, just so I know what we're doing. So I'm going to go ahead and do this because I need to figure out how many balloons does Bear have. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add 23 plus 14 more, plus 14. I'm going to go ahead and put 23 right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and add 14, just like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and add. When I add, I always add the ones first, the ones column. So I'm going to take 4 plus 3 equals 7. And then 2 plus 1, 3. Uno, dos, tres. So now I have the answer is 37. So how many balloons does Bear have? He has 37 balloons. All right, ready to go ahead and do another one? Let's continue with our story here. All right, decorating time. Squirrel helps decorate and brings 45 streamers. They use 19 of them. How many streamers are left? All right, so let's go ahead and mark up our page a little bit. And Squirrel helps decorate and brings 45 streamers. So let's go ahead and underline this. 14 streamers. They use how many of them? 19. And then here's our question right here. How many streamers are left? Squirrel helps decorate and brings 45 streamers. They use 19 of them. What do you think that's going to be? Is that going to be addition or subtraction? All right, that's probably going to be subtraction. So let's go ahead and write this problem out. 45 minus 19, just like that. All right, hopefully you can see that problem down there. Again, we start with the ones column, and I'm going to have to borrow because if I have 5 and I want to take a 9 away, you can't do it. You need to borrow. So I'm going to borrow 1 from the tens place, which would make this a 3. And this will be a 15. So 15 minus 9 equals 6. And then 3 minus 1 equals 2. Uno, dos. So we have 26. So there are, how many streamers are left? There are 26 streamers left. All right, let's go ahead and do another problem here. Snack collection. Fox brings 36 cookies and then brings 27 more. All right, again, here's our question. How many cookies are there in all? I'm just going to go ahead and underline this part here and then mark up the page. We have 36 cookies and he brings 27 more. All right. Again, sometimes when you see the word more, not always, but most of the time when you see the word more, that's going to mean addition. Okay? So we have 36 cookies, and then he's bringing more. Oh, I love cookies. I don't know about you guys. I like the chocolate chip cookies and peanut butter cookies. Those are my favorite. I'm getting way off topic, but I'm thinking about cookies. So let's go ahead and write the problem out. 36 and then 27. Make sure you line that up. It's really important that you line this up and you're writing neatly. And let's go ahead and put our addition symbol here. And again, we're going to add the ones up. 6 plus 7 equals 13. So let's go ahead and put the 3 right here. Carry that 1 and then add the tens. 3 plus 1 equals 4 plus the 2 equals 6. Here's our answer. How many cookies are there in all? There are 63 cookies in all. So some of your teachers might have you actually write out everything. All right, so they might actually have you write 63 cookies in all. All right. So my handwriting's a little sloppy there. Sorry about that. All right, let's go ahead. I'm getting hungry and I cannot wait what's going on to see what happens with this birthday party here. All right, party prep. Raccoon, go ahead and read that story problem while I'm setting this up here. Okay, raccoon sets up 52 plates, but 18 fall down. Oh no! Don't worry, raccoon, everything's gonna be okay. Let's go ahead and underline some things here. 52 plates, but 18 fall down. How many plates are still ready? All right. What do you think this is gonna be? Is this gonna be addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division? Yeah, I'm thinking it's gonna be subtraction because he had 52 of those plates and some of them got knocked down. Don't worry, we're still gonna have a good birthday party, all right? 18 of them get marked down, so I'm gonna write out our problem. Again, did you see how I'm writing this out? It's very even right here. Nicely written. And now I'm going to subtract. I have to start with the ones. I have 2 minus 8. Can I do that? Can't do it. Need to borrow from next door. Over here by the 5. Put a line through the 5. This will be a 4. This becomes a 12. All right, so sometimes some people will cross out the 2 and put a 12. I just like to put a 1 right there. Different ways for you all, that you can, when you're doing math, there's all kinds of different ways on how you can achieve the same answer. 12 minus 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we would have 4, all right? So go ahead and put 4 right here. And then 4 minus 1 equals 3. And now how many plates are still ready? 34. He's got 34. I'm thinking that's going to be okay. That's going to be okay. All right, let's go ahead on to our next part here. Surprise time. All right. Owl brings 28 cupcakes. Ooh, talking about cookies, and now we're talking about cupcakes. My tummy is getting hungry. So let's go ahead and underline 28 cupcakes. And then he's adding 17 more for the surprise. Ooh, what's going on here? 17 more. Again, when I see that word more, I'm thinking it's going to be, might be addition. How many cupcakes are there in total? All right, here's our question right here. Again, let's go ahead and write this out. We have 28 and then 17 more. Do you think everybody's going to get a lot of different cupcakes, or do you think there's going to be a lot of animals there at the party? I'm not sure. So let's go ahead and add the ones. 8 plus 7 is 15. Carry the 1, and then we have our tens. 2 plus 1 equals 3, plus the 1 equals 4. That's a lot of cupcakes there. A lot of cupcakes. Wow. All right, if you want to, you can write down right over here, cup and cakes. Again, my handwriting is a little sloppy here because I'm trying to reach over there. Hopefully you'll write a little neater there. Okay, let's go on to our next slide here. All right, and there is our answer key if you want to check your problems. We had on our first one, it was 37, 26, 63, 34, and 45. Going back here, they are going to have a great birthday party with all those cookies and cupcakes. Hey, if it's your birthday, I hope you are having a great birthday out there, and I hope it's a very special day for you. And please go ahead and put a comment down below. Hit that likey button, and like always, have a very beautiful day. Adios. Goodbye.